Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Defender 110 D300 X-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Hakuba silver. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you will find the Matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides of this vehicle, you're going to find further stunning yet rugged features, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of upgraded 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a satin dark grey finish. To the rear, you will notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the side hinge tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to locate 2 further seats within the rear, making this vehicle perfect for those with larger families, and locate easy-to-use controls for your electronic air suspension on the left. Glimpsing into the rear of this vehicle, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony winter leather and robust deck seats with own climate control systems. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated and cooled electric adjustable memory seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, your 11.4-inch Privy Pro touchscreen, before finalising our journey by looking up to see your clear sight interior rearview mirror and your fully sliding panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Defender 110, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.